All right, everybody. So this is the first set of stories that I'm doing for the 2019-2020 school year that will be pulled into highlights. And this series of stories that I'm posting now will take you through Balance Part 1 and Balance Part 2. Okay, so first things first, I have my document set up in Adobe Illustrator. This document is 8.5 by 11 inches. This is for Balance Part 1, of which the instructions are posted in the Google Classroom. So if you have a question or need to see this in writing, please make sure you open this document from Google Classroom first. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is show you an example of the finished product and then tell you how to get there. So this is an example of mine from last year. And I'm gonna walk you through the steps of how to get there. Okay, so here we have our blank document, and in order to get these 4 images, I did a Google search of formal balance in art, informal balance in art, symmetry in art, and radial balance in art. So I saved them to their own folder, so they're all right here. So now, all I have to do is go to File, and then Place, access that balance folder, which is on my hard drive. I'm going to start with formal balance. The order does not matter. So I have my first image placed inside the document. I actually had to put my phone down to make it smaller because when you make an image smaller, you should be holding down the Shift key, or if you make the image larger, you should be holding down the Shift key to do that. I'm now going to embed that image and go to the next one. File, Place, and I'm not going to painfully show you how to do all 4 of these. So when I skip ahead, you're going to see all 4 all together. So here we are. All 4 of the different types of balance are file placed into my Illustrator document. So from top left, I have formal balance, informal balance, radial balance here on the bottom left, and symmetry on the bottom right. And I did my best to line them all up. I sort of need to move them over a little bit so that they're centered, and now I'm going to label them. Alrighty, so almost done. This is the finished product. All of my different types of balance are labeled. My name and period number is up in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm almost ready to print. The last step I'm going to do is check my spelling. So I insist on this because symmetrical is a hard word to spell, and in the future, I'm going to have you do spell check on other projects. So it's important that you know where it is. So you're going to go to Edit at the top menu, and then go about halfway down to where it says check spelling. A new menu is going to pop up. You have to click Start. It's going to tell me my name is spelled wrong. I'm going to click Ignore. And then that's it. If anything does pop up down here on the bottom that it's suggesting to spell correctly, you can select the new suggestion and then click Change or Change All. And then when you're done, you click Done. And that's it.